In this video, I will be showing you how to use the voice mode in Gemini AI mobile app. So let's get started. First thing, just come into the home interface of Gemini app and just choose the model of your choice. First, let me tell you how to give you voice input, and after that I will show you how to do the complete voice mode with the output response also in voice. Here we are having the mic icon. Just click it. Hey Gemini, can you hear me now? And I will just click on this stop button now. So what this will do is, this will basically convert our input voice into text. So if you don't want to type too much, you can simply give the instructions through our voice. So this is the voice input way. Now to use the full voice mode, near that we are having an icon, right? Select that. Hey Gemini, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear. What's on your mind?
You just saw that, right? We are getting the response in a voice mode, and apart from that, here we are having the video symbol and a screen share symbol, and to the rightmost top we are having an option. Click that. Here we are having choose Gemini's voice,
I'm excited to be your. Feel free to. Remember, you can always switch voices later.
and we are having these many voices to choose from also. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
That's how you use the voice mode. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.